2018 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.